Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick explanation on how to read a micrometer screw gauge and a vernier caliper. So the micrometer screw gauge and vernier caliper are used to measure the internal or external diameters of objects. The vernier caliper can measure both the inside and the outside diameters of objects, while the micrometer screw gauge has more precision, can measure only the outside diameters of objects. Let's look at the reading on the micrometer screw gauge. This is a micrometer screw gauge. Let's look at the reading. This sleeve gives the main scale. Okay. Now the main scale, it will give us the units and the first decimal place. So you see you have 0 to 5. So that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's not really shown, but this is 0 and this is 5. And then we have just between 5 and this, where the thimble meets the sleeve, it's 0.5. So this is 5.5. So it's giving us the unit. The unit is 5, and we have the first decimal place, 0.5. Okay, so that is the main, we call that the main scale. Okay, now how about the vernier scale, or the remaining part of our reading? We get it from the vernier scale. The vernier scale is from the thimble. Okay, so the thimble is just, you now look closely. Okay, let it zoom in. Let's look closely. You see that where this line meets your thimble reading, it's something about past 10. It is 10 and 15. So somewhere between 10 and 15. So like 12. So the thimble will give the vernier scale. And the vernier scale is simply the first and second decimal places. The vernier scale gives us the first and second decimal places. So first and second is simply 0.12. Alright guys, so basically the sleeve gives us the main scale. The main scale is the units of our reading, the units and the first decimal place. So this is 5.5. You can see that little mark there. So this is 5.5 for our main scale. So the unit is 5. And then the thimble, where this line meets this reading. So if I zoom close, it's something like 0.12. This thimble gives us the first and the second decimal place. Okay, so the first decimal place and second decimal. So this is like, so you see it's between 10 and 15. So it's like 0.12. So that gives us the first and second decimal places in millimeters. So alright, so bringing both readings together, the sleeve, okay, the sleeve, that's just this part of the micrometer screw gauge, gives the sleeve read, that's the main scale. The sleeve gives us the main scale and it's reading 5.5 millimeters. Okay, while the thimble of course gives us the vernier scale. The thimble reads 0.12 millimeters. So you add the main and vernier scale readings. The main, this is the main 5.5, and the vernier scale is 0.12. Add them together to get your micrometer reading. So it's 5.62 millimeters, or if in centimeters, 0.562 centimeters. Okay, so that's how you use the micrometer screw gauge. You get the main